My guy.
Your car. Your car's a pink Jeep.
Your daddy's so not going to be proud of this. Look, Rylan. You got your own keys.
Yeah.
Can you turn it on?
Got it. Anyway.
Still, try Sydney. E. Sherman 42 Longview in Sydney.
Rylan, can you sit still for 3 seconds?
You were there. I saw you.
Yeah, hold on 1 second, then I'll give you the keys. Give me 1 second, baby.
Who's that? Rylan, who's this?
Who's on the TV?
Oh.
Okay, you're okay.
Giving me a workout. Hey there, you. Hey there, little sweetie. What's that? Are those keys? Yeah, can I see that? Can I make that hair go away out of your eyes? Let's make that hair go out of your eyes. Here, let me fix it. Let me fix.
Doing actually pretty well. I mean, I knew he was moving, but
Yeah, that's
not crying.
actually, he's not doing so, no, this is not that bad at all.
I thought he was going to cry, so.
I thought he'd freak out, so
Yeah.
he's doing a lot
I
better
thought we
than
were going to have to hold him down.
You know, they do sometimes, and just because this one is going to go well, I'm not going to promise you the next one
I
will
don't
go as well.
expect anything to go well.
He was just in my wedding, and we were like, he's not going to walk down, so.
And did he?
No.
He walked down with Mommy, but.
Funny.